Print them all. I wonder what inspired this Pokemon. Let's start with Ladybug. We'll use Panchroma Matte Lava Red, Pastel Banana, Cotton White, and as usual, Charcoal Black. Time for the time lapse. Look at this Ladybug. They say it brings good luck. Alright, I'll peel it off the plate, remove all supports, and show you Ladybug's result. Okay, Ladybug's a ladybug, but this Ladybug's got boxing gloves. And you know why? Because she puts big punch on her face. Now let's put it on the shelf. I'll place it right here. And its evolution, you'll see, is a bit strange.